Bye-bye. Bye. How much they get to eat? Since he's big, I'll give him a piece of bread. His horns are hairy.
Yeah? What are you giving him?
I'm giving him a piece of bread.
Who? What's he called? Brandy.
Well, I want to
Looks more. Oh, where's he going with this horn?
There's lots of flies.
She doesn't want to feed them. He's huge. Gianna, don't be scared. You're gonna lose your fingers. You hold and you keep still.
Knocking it over.
Stretch it.
Jos tualete rabo vyras ratas nusiklausti.
Nieko čia.
Oh, he's scared.
Čia reikia gal sumaitinti viską.
Jis dar vaikščios
He takes his sword.
teritoriją.
That's a big guy.
This guy.
No one took that.
No, because there is this time they losing the hair. Look how he's talking. Man gaila jo. Nebijokit. Kaip skanu. Skanu. Ko tu nori?
What was that? Saliva.